Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, we'll show you how to do the quick setting of this watch, Casio F-108. And to do that, first, press the mode button several times until you get to this view. Okay, so the second is flashing or blinking like this. And then you can press the top left button to reset the second. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if it is 29 or less like this, it will become 0 without additional minute. Like this. Okay, and then next press the light button to change or to move to the next item to set, and that is the hour. For this one, you can press this one, the start stop button, to increase the number. So yes, if I want to get back to 21, then I can just press and hold until, okay, let's say almost 21, and then press again until I get to the number that I want. Okay, now press again the light button and we are setting the minute. Also the same thing, you can use this one, the top left button, to change the number up. So this one, I will just press and hold, and I want to get back to 41. So yes, press and hold. And yes, 7, 8, 9, and 41. Okay, now press again the light button on the right side. And now we are setting the month. Same thing, you can use the top left button to change the number up like this. And yes, you can press one by one also. Okay, and then press again the light button. Now we are setting the date, and yes, the same button, this one. So if I want to go back to 22, I can just press and hold until 20, and then press again 1, 2, okay, 22. And then press again the light button, and now is the day of the week. This one is Friday. You can use the top left button to change up, so Saturday, Sunday, and so on. Okay, now back to Friday. And then press again, and we are back to the setting of the second. And if you're done with the setting of the time, date, and so on, you can press the mode button to change to the timekeeping mode. Anyway, for the timekeeping mode, you can change the time format using the top left button, this one. So this one is 9 PM or this one is the 21. Okay, and that's all for the basic setting of this watch. Thank you for watching, and yes, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.